How important is pushing technique in wheelchair rugby? How important is pushing technique in wheelchair rugby? This question gets to the heart of what makes this sport so dynamic and exciting. Pushing technique is essential for players, impacting their speed, maneuverability, and overall performance. In wheelchair rugby, athletes with physical impairments compete in a fast-paced environment, making efficient propulsion vital for success on the court. Players use specially designed manual wheelchairs that cater to their roles, whether offensive or defensive. Offensive wheelchairs are built for speed and agility, while defensive ones are designed to block opponents. This distinction highlights how important it is for players to master their pushing technique to excel in their specific roles. A strong pushing technique allows players to reach higher speeds and accelerate quickly. This is crucial when trying to outmaneuver opponents or score goals. Additionally, proper technique helps prevent injuries. The upper limbs are often at risk due to the intense physical demands of the sport. Techniques like the semicircular push pattern help distribute force evenly, reducing stress on the arms. Beyond individual performance, pushing technique plays a role in team strategy. Players must communicate and execute maneuvers that requiring precise timing and coordination. This teamwork aspect is what makes wheelchair rugby similar to traditional rugby, where collaboration is key. When it comes to practical applications, several elements contribute to effective pushing technique. The grip on the wheelchair is important, and players often use rubber gloves to improve control. The push style, whether semicircular or arcing, can affect both speed and efficiency. The setup of the wheelchair itself is also significant. The positioning of the wheels and the type of chair can impact how well a player can push. Furthermore, wheelchair rugby employs a classification system to ensure fair competition among players with different levels of impairment. This system assigns points based on the severity of the impairment, influencing how players contribute to their team's strategy. Engaging with wheelchair rugby is a great way to appreciate the sport's inclusivity. It showcases how physical ability is not the only factor in participation or success. The focus on pushing technique highlights the importance of skill development in this sport, making it accessible to a wider audience. By understanding the significance of pushing technique, we can better appreciate the hard work and dedication of athletes in wheelchair rugby.